Hi everyone, today I will show you the new method of how to download e-ticket from Trip.com in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Let's get started with the video. To access your Trip.com e-ticket, there are two options available. Here's how to get it. First, via email confirmation. Simply check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Trip.com. This email will contain a direct link allowing you to view or download your e-ticket. Second, via the Trip.com app. Alternatively, you can access your e-ticket through the Trip.com mobile app. Here are the steps. Open the Trip.com app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged in using the same account you used when you made the booking. Once logged in, navigate to the Bookings or Manage My Bookings section. This is usually found on the main menu of the app. Then select your specific flight from the list of your bookings. On your flight details page, scroll down to the e-ticket section. If the airline has already issued your e-ticket, you will see an option that allows you to view or download it directly from the app. That's all there is to it.